Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Specifically here, this is a 2012 Ford F-150 that we'll demonstrate on, but even if you have different year, that generation video may be helpful. Now, when you open the hood on your Ford F-150, you will notice that the fuse box will be placed right above the radiator. That fuse box, when you open it, guys, you're going to see you will have your fuses. They will look just like this one. Let's zoom in a little bit so you can clearly see that way, guys, things. When you open it, you will be on that side facing these fuses, and the relays right here will be facing it will be next to the windshield practically on that side. Now, these fuses and relays could be really expensive at the parts store, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below. You can see where you can get them from for a good price and quick shipping. It's always a good idea to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money. Stay with us and we'll explain about that now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse that we need to check for the oxygen sensors, guys, if you see that fuse row right here of fuses, okay, even if you have a missing one, you count the space. 1, 2, second fuse, this is known as fuse number 76. That 20 amp fuse, guys, right here, that's the oxygen sensor fuse. This fuse is also for the VCT solenoid, MAF sensor, intake air temperature sensor, for purge valve and canister valve. Multiple components are controlled by that fuse, guys. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.